Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I just bought these Matco drill bits, 1/16 through 1/2 inch by 64ths. Your part number's right there. They're the stubby cobalt hyper steps. They look pretty decent. I got these because I have to drill into tractor trailer frames a lot, and I wanted to see if they were similar to the KNKUT, which I can tell you that they are not. There's a lot of hype about the hyper step, but they are not USA made, so they are not Norseman or KNKUT, however you want to pronounce that. But I don't know if I'm gonna post these on eBay or not. I'm a student, so I got them at a decent price. I didn't pay full price for these. Here, let's take the 1/2 inch out. Patented Matco 1/2 inch high speed steel cobalt. Looks like some of the cobalt didn't stick. I don't know. I know I had some Norseman vortex points in 1/4 inch. And they're about that long from end to my finger. Probably about that long. These are what I want, the stubbies, because that's all I need. I don't need long drill bits. Stubbies, mechanical links, if I needed it, but I'd rather go with the stubbies. I mean, because how often are you going to drill through something thicker than that, being a mechanic? Not very often, but it does have its place. I might keep these for the warranty factor, even though some companies, like I think it's Norseman, maybe Drill America, they have the lifetime warranty like these. I think I'll get the stubby max with the regular 135-degree split point, because I mean, these are not your pure all drill bit. These are nice, but if you're drilling to a head or something, you don't want to hit a fucking, or excuse my language, you don't want to hit like a water jacket or something like that, because if you're trying to bottom something out, it can definitely go through. And I've heard these cut fantastic. I guess we shall see. I don't know if I'll go with made in America or made in China. I think I'm gonna start posting more videos. I got a nice little toolbox full of tools. I got a decent job working on prototypes now for a well-known manufacturer of commercial tractors, so you will see more quality tools coming your way. Comment, like, subscribe, do what you gotta do. Thanks for watching.